Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch fast spoke alloy wheels, an espresso brown MB Tex interior with a dark brown linden wood trim. GLC 300, 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of regular floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, heated seats, memory seats, and the LED logo which appears when you open the door, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, parking assistant package with Parktronic and a surround view backup camera with sensors, media display, dual climate controls, hard keys for the media display, turn wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLC has 28,902 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.